In this video, we will learn 3 tricks in Word document. So let's start. Simply press 1, then in caps F4, 0 and 5, and press the shortcut key Alt X. So I press here Alt X, and you can see here the special characters is inserted. Same as the second tricks, simply press the 2, 7, 0 and D small and press the Alt plus X. So I press here Alt plus X. You can see here the special characters is inserted. Okay, same as here, simply press the 1 caps F, then 681 and press the Alt plus X. That's it. You can see here, this is the way you can use this trick to insert some special characters in Word documents. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.